Good afternoon, children. Okay, last week I gave one work to you. One assignment is given, submission. Okay. The topic is results paradox. Okay, I started doing that one. Okay, submit it on time. Okay, that last date I gave is 10th. So start doing and submit it. Make it as a PDF and send. Okay, make it as a PDF and send it. Started or not? We'll be starting on 9th. When? Huh? Okay, last date is 10th. Just start doing. Okay, at least one page. If you start writing means it will get over. Okay, don't wait for the last minute. Okay, I think we can start. And what about the homework question? Did you try the questions which I sent? One exercise 1.4. You tried all those questions? Any doubt in that? Yes, Aditya, any doubt? Okay. What about the others, children? You tried those questions? Yes.
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 Okay, now we can start with the next one. The next operation we are going to learn is complement of a set. Write the heading. Complement of a set. Complement of a set. Okay, complement of a set. Now, children, just go through all those operations. Till now, what you have learned, just go through it. So the first one we have learned is union of sets. Union. Union means we take all the elements, isn't it? Atulya, read union of sets.
The union of two sets A and B denoted by A union B is the set of all those elements which are either A in A or in both A and B. Thus A union B equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B.
A union B is set of all X where X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Okay. Anaga, read the next one. Anaga, intersection of two sets.
Intersection of sets. The intersection of two sets A and B denoted by A intersection B is a set of all elements which are common to both A and B. Thus A intersection B equal to X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B.
Good. Okay, intersection of sets means we take only those common elements. What about disjoint sets? Pooja, what about disjoint sets?
Two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if A intersection B is equal to 5.
Okay. Next. John Joes, intersecting sets or overlapping sets.
Two sets A and B are said to be intersecting or overlapping if A intersection B is not equal to 5.
Okay, if two sets are intersecting, then we can say that sets are overlapping, isn't it? There is something in common. That's what we call it as overlapping sets. Next, Pranav, Sargent, difference of sets.
For any sets A and B, their difference A minus B is defined as a set of elements which belong to A but not to B. Thus, A minus B is equal to set of all X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. Also, B minus A is equal to set of all X such that X belongs to B and X does not belongs to A.
Okay, so the next thing we are going to learn is complement of a set. The next one we are going to learn is complement of a set. For that, for defining complement, we need the universal set. Okay, suppose the universal set given like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. up to 10. We have first 10 numbers we are taking. And A as set 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the complement? The complement of a set is denoted by A. Okay, look at the top. I write either AC or the other notation is A dash. Both are equivalent. Complement of the set is denoted by A complement or A dash. What is A complement? set of all elements which are in the universal set but not in A. We want those elements which are present in the universal set but not in A. That means which are the elements you will get with set of all elements which are not present in A but should be there in universal set. So which are the elements? Alantina, can you give me what is A dash? Alantina? I think you are not audible, Alantina. Okay. Naurin, try this one, Naurin. What is it?
M1. 6.
6. Yes, correct.
7.
7, 8,
8. 9, 10.
9, 10. Okay, those elements in the universal set, but which are not in A. So the definition will be given like this, children. The definition of A complement is defined as set of all X such that X belongs to U and X does not belongs to A. X is an element in U, but it is not an element of A. A complement is defined as set of all X belongs to U and X does not belongs to A. Okay, so the Venn diagram for the A complement is, the Venn diagram is like, okay. So in Venn diagram, we represent the universal set. We represent the universal set with rectangles, isn't it? And the subsets as squares. Suppose this is universal set. Suppose this is the set A. Suppose this is the set A and this is the universal set. Then A complement means only those elements which are not in A. That means this part. This part represents A dash. A dash means those elements which are not in A. Which are not in A is represented by A dash. Okay, this is the diagram and diagrammatic representation of A dash. Elements which are not in A. Okay. Okay, children, you copied up to this. Okay. Shall we move on to the next one? Okay, write the next one. If U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First one, find A dash. Second one, find A dash the whole dash. Find A dash. Second one, A dash the whole dash. First one is find A dash. Second one is A dash the whole dash. So here A is given as set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is, sorry, this is U, isn't it? U. And what is the set A? A is the set not given here. Write down. A is equal to set 2, 4, 6, 8. A is equal to the set 2, 4, 6, 8. So write down what is A dash and then find out what is A dash the whole dash. Find these two things and find out what is the relation you will get. What you will get here? What is A dash the whole dash? So what is A dash here? Jewel, can you give what is A dash?
1, 3, 5, 7.
Yes, repeat it. 5, 3,
7.
7. What about 1? A dash means elements which are not in A, isn't it? Okay, whether 1 will be there or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now find out what is A dash the whole dash. Find out what is A dash the whole dash. Yes, what is A dash the whole dash? Yes. Tom Sebastian. What is A dash the whole dash?
2, 4, 6, 8.
2, 4, 6, 8. And look at this set and compare it with the given set and tell me what you will get. What is A dash the whole dash?
It is A.
It is A, isn't it? A dash the whole dash will be same as A. So complement of the complement will be same as A. It will be the same set itself. Write the heading properties. Properties of complement of sets. Next heading. Properties of complements of sets. Properties of complement of set. So under that first one, A dash the whole dash is A. First one, A dash the whole dash is equal to A. Okay. Second one. Now tell me children, what will be A union A dash? What is A union A dash? Look at the previous question. Okay, look at this here. Look at this question. Find out what is A union A dash. What you will get?
Universe.
Yes, yes, Atulya.
Universe. Will be U.
A union A dash is U. What about A intersection A dash? Is there anything common?
No.
Empty set, isn't it? There is nothing common. So here, A union A dash is U, the universal set. Third one, A intersection A dash is 5. A intersection A dash is 5. Okay. Fourth one, what is 5 dash? What will be 5 dash? 5 means nothing is there, isn't it? So what will be the complement of 5?
U.
U. 5 dash will be U and What will be U dash? U dash is 5. U dash will be 5. 5 dash is U and U dash is 5. Okay. And the next one is, fifth one we need is listen children, this is a very important law. We call this as De Morgan's law. With the name we have to learn. De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. Okay, the fifth one is De Morgan's law. This is very important. That is given by, listen children, A union B the whole dash is equal to, it is A dash intersection B dash. Look at here. It is union. Okay, the whole dash. When we take the dash, when we take the complement of the union, it is same as A dash intersection B dash. Union will become intersection. When you separate it, it becomes A dash intersection B dash. Similarly, A intersection B the whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. These two laws together, yes?
Can I explain it once again?
A union B the whole dash. We are taking the union and taking complement. After taking union, we take the complement. It will be same as intersection of the complements. It is same as intersection of the complements. A dash intersection B dash. Union okay, the complement of the intersection will be same as union of their complements. Complement of the intersection will be same as union of their complements. That is, A union B the whole dash is, when we separate the dash, union will become intersection. A dash intersection B dash. And A intersection B the whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Okay. Now, okay, we are going to represent the first one. Up to this, is it clear, children? These are the properties of De Morgan's law and properties of complement of a set. You copied that one? You copied? Navaneet?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What about the others? When you complete this one, when you copy this one, you tell me. We can move on to the next job. Okay. Okay, children. So here in this complement part, the important section is verification of De Morgan's law. We can verify De Morgan's law. For verification, there are two methods. First one is by using Venn diagram. Second one is by taking some sets, we can verify. Okay. So in De Morgan's law, two laws are there. Two laws together only we call it as De Morgan's law. Okay. I'll be doing the first one. Second one we have to try. And second one is a homework. You have to do it. And you have to send it to me. Use the pencil shading and all. Do it neatly and you have to send it. Okay. Write the question. Verify De Morgan's law using Venn diagram. Verify De Morgan's law using Venn diagram. Verify De Morgan's law using Venn diagram. So for the exam, when if it is asked, you have to verify both the laws. You have to verify both the laws. Two laws are there. Which are the two laws? G's, can you give the law? De Morgan's law. Yes, G's.
AUP
Ah,
equal to A and B.
A union B the whole dash is A dash intersection B dash. And what about the second law? Second law,
A and B raised to dash.
A intersection B the whole dash is A dash union B dash. These two laws we have to verify. So here we are going to verify the first one. Okay, we are going to verify the first one. A union B the whole dash is A dash intersection B dash. Listen, children. So first I want to draw the figure A union B. Okay, we want to draw A union B. So A union B means it is the part common to both A and B, isn't it? So this is the part which is common to A and B. So this is A, this is B, and this is A union B. The next, okay, in LHS we have A union B the whole dash. A union B the whole dash. See the same activity, science students will be doing as a lab activity in your record book. We'll be doing this again as an activity in your record book. So suppose this is A, this is B. A union B the whole dash. What is under A union B the whole dash? The part which is not in A union B, isn't it? That means we have to remove the other, we have to shade the other side. When you shade the other side, what you will get? A union B the whole dash. This is A union B the whole dash. First one is A union B. Next we are finding what is A union B the whole dash. And we name this as, okay, name the figure as 1. I'm naming this as 1. This is 1. Now, one side we have evaluated, LHS. Same way, you do the other one. A dash intersection B dash. Okay. Up to this, is it okay, Dia and Mary? Is it okay, Dia? Dia, can you hear?
Yes,
Reem.
ma'am.
What about Reem Fatima? Up to this part, is it okay? Reem Fatima, Roseanne, Roshan? Are able to follow this one, Roshan? Is it okay? Roshan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, children. Okay. So now we want to evaluate the other side. A union B the whole dashes. We have to prove that is same as A dash intersection B dash. We have to prove that is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Okay, listen children. The next one is, okay. So in the next figure, I'm going to represent, this is A, this is B. I'm going to represent what is A dash. Again, the next figure, this is A, this is B. I'm going to show B dash. The next one is we have to prove that is equal to A dash intersection B dash, isn't it? So then the third when I'm going to represent what is A dash intersection B dash. So I'm going to shade A dash. What is meant by A dash? The elements which are not in A. Okay, elements which are not in A is A dash. So A dash means the part which is not in A. So we can shade the whole thing. This is A dash. Similarly, what about B dash, which is not in B? Which are not in B, we denote it as B dash. So what will be A dash intersection B dash? Common part. Look at the common part which is shaded. Which part is shaded both in both the figures? A dash and B dash. If you look at this, it is outside the circle, isn't it? Outside the sets. So this is this part. Okay, this is A dash intersection B dash. Now name this as equation 2. Name this as equation 2. So from 1 and 2, we get A union B the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Hence proved. We proved this by using Venn diagram. Is it okay, children? Is it okay?
Ma'am, can you explain the second equation once again?
Second equation. Second equation is A union B the whole dash. Sorry, second equation is A intersection B the whole dash. Is
No,
A-
ma'am. In this Venn diagram.
in Venn diagram, RHS part. In RHS part, what we want? We want A dash intersection B dash. We want to prove it is the same as A dash intersection B dash. So first we are finding A dash. What is meant by A dash? Elements which are not in A. So we are shading those parts which are not present in A. Similarly, we find B dash. What is B dash? Elements which are not present in B. Next, we want to find the intersection of these two. Intersection means what? We have to look at the part which is commonly shaded in these two figures. In these two figures, which is shaded. Then if you look at there, we can understand that it is outside the circle, isn't it? Outside the both the sets. That is A dash intersection B dash. And we name this as equation 2. So from 1 and 2, both are equal. So we write A union B the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Okay. Is it okay, children? Is it okay, Jyoti?
Yes, ma'am.
So only one law only we have verified. The other one, in the same way, you can do it as homework. Over, finished children? Is it over? Akshay Varghese, completed? Huh? Yes.
ma'am.
What about the others children? Is it over? Anashwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
So note the second one. Second one is homework. So second law is A intersection B the whole dash is A dash union B dash, isn't it? A intersection B the whole dash is A dash union B dash. You can do it as homework. Now the same law, we can verify it by taking some sets. We can take some sets and we can verify. Okay, write the question. Write the next one. Write the next one. U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A is equal to the set 1, 7, 8, 9. B is equal to the set 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Verify that you have to verify that first one A union B the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. The second one is A intersection B the whole dash is A dash union B dash. Verify that. We have to verify whether these two laws are true or not. Verify that A union B the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash, and A intersection B the whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. Okay, so we are going to verify this. Okay, here also two things we want to verify, two laws we have to verify. We'll be doing the first one. Second one, you will be trying that one. Okay, you have to try. The solution. So first one, I'm going to verify. To verify A union B the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. We are going to verify the first law. Okay. So A is given. A is given as the set 1, 7, 8, 9. B is given. The set B is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Write down what is A dash and what is B dash. A is given, B is given. Write down what is A dash and what is B dash. So what is A dash? Rahul, give me what is A dash.
Ma'am, 3,
3,
5,
5,
6,
6,
8, 10.
10. Look at here, only one is there, isn't it? Then what about 2?
Yes, 2.
2 is there and 4 will be also there, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, 1, so 2, which are the elements not there, you write. What about B dash? Naveen, what is B dash? Naveen Rashid. Naveen, give me B dash. What is B dash? The elements which are not in B. So it will be B dash
1,
1,
3,
3,
5,
5,
7,
7,
9.
9. Very good. Okay. Now let's find out what is A union B. Next thing is we are going to find out what is A union B. So it will be A union B. And Mary, give me what is A union B. And Mary, what is A union B? What is A union B? And Mary? What is A union B?
And 1,
Hmm.
2,
Hmm.
4, 6,
Hmm.
7, 8, 9, 10.
7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So what will be A union B the whole dash? Shabarinath. What is A union B the whole dash?
And can I do and say after that?
Yes?
Can I do and say after that?
Okay.
3 and 5.
Yes. Yes, Shabari.
3 and 5.
3 and 5. Okay. So name this as equation 1. Name this as equation 1. A union B the whole dash is 3 and 5. Okay. So LHS we have evaluated. A union B the whole dash. Same way you evaluate the RHS. Now evaluate the other side, RHS. What is asked in the RHS? It is A dash union B dash. Okay, sorry, A dash intersection B dash. So what is A dash? Intersection B dash. Common to both A dash and B dash. Tom Sebastian, what is the answer? What is A dash intersection B dash? 5. Which are the elements present there? Look at your 3 and 5. So name this as equation 2. A dash intersection B dash is 3 and 5. 3 and 5. So from 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2, we can say that A union B the whole dash is A dash intersection B dash. Hence, proved. Hence, we have proved the first part. We have proved the first part. Okay, children. So the second one, the other one, you can do it, isn't it? You can try the other one. What is the other one? A intersection B, the whole dash is A dash union B dash. The other part, try to do this by yourself. Okay, please answer your attendance. Okay. other part. Okay, in Venn diagram you have to do, and this part also you have to complete it. Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, call
Yes.
my name. You didn't call my name.
Pooja, I marked it. Okay, because when you answered that question, I marked your attendance. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, children. Thank you. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.